Foreclosure case, Mr. O'Brien was the purchaser, sent a letter in, filed with the clerk of courts requesting to withdraw his bid. Mr. O'Brien, do you want to address that?
Sure. Do I stand or?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. My name is Tim O'Brien. I had a job working for a company. The company sold. Since then, I've come up with a thought process of purchasing homes and fixing them up, doing things for the community. I've been very involved in the community for 30 years. Unfortunately, I haven't shared this with too many people, but I have what's called normal pressure hydrocephalus, and it's the dementia family. And I need help from my brother to do the work. Unfortunately, he has some issues with his family. So at this point, I don't think I can do the job. So I wanted to find out how to pull back from the bid that I put in. There's not much information. I don't know the process. I know everyone I talk to says you lose your $5,000 deposit. I understand that. That's a risk that when you get into something like this. But I'm requesting that I pull from the bid because I just can't do the work at this point. And it's not complicated. My life has changed, but that's really what I'm here for. And I don't know the process. So.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Posner.
Your Honor, my client has no desire to, in essence, force Mr. O'Brien into a situation where he's going to be in big trouble, possibly. So with the application of the bid to the court costs, sale costs, sheriff's costs, and the like, and I should add that it should be applied in total because there are also some unquantifiable costs going forward that are added, additional attorney's fees, prorated taxes, things like that, that he be allowed to withdraw subject to his deposit being applied towards the ultimate recovery in court costs.
Mr. Hackman?
The Treasurer's Office takes no position on this.
Don't you represent the sheriff also?
I do, Your Honor.
Where the hell's the sheriff?
I'm afraid. No.
Well, no, I mean, there's supposed to be somebody here. What are the costs associated with having to do this again?
I'm sorry?
What are the costs associated with having to go through the process another time? I bet the sheriff's office would know that, right?
You got to advertise at $3,000 roughly, perhaps.
All right. Well, this is why the sheriff's representative was supposed to be here.
Well, may it please the court,
Yeah.
we do have a cost summary statement in which the current costs are about $4,300
On this sale.
on this case.
Right,
And that
okay.
includes $307 for the clerk, $1,708 directly to the sheriff, $500 for real auction, printer's fee, $889, and it goes on, appraiser's fees, et cetera, et cetera. So, as I said, with additional accruing taxes and attorney's fees, we see no reason to try to top $5,000, but it would be in that area. If Your Honor would like, I would be happy to submit this to the court. I think it's, Mr. Bancik says it's on record, but...
All right, that's all right. Then I have that. Anything
Okay.
you want to add, Mr. Urbancic?
No, Your Honor. My client, additional secured defendant, takes no position on this.
Okay. So what we'll do is we'll hold on to that $5,000 for now. I want to figure out what the costs going forward are, and I'll make that your responsibility, Mr. Hackman, since it's your client that wasn't here. And so
Thank
it's
you, Your Honor.
you're welcome. Anything else I can do for you today, Mr. Hackman?
Nothing, sir.
So let's figure out what that's going to be, and then we'll go from there, and I'll issue an order based on that. But you will be able to withdraw your bid, and it will cost you at least a portion of that money, maybe up to all of it, I just don't know.
Thank you.
All right, anything
Thank you.
further? Mr. Poser, anything further?
No, Your Honor,
Neither
thank
the
you.
sheriff nor the treasurer.
Thank you. All right.
All right.
Oh, she's late.